Senior Advocate Dr. Fenela Nonglait today stated that reports of her contesting the upcoming Lok Sabha elections from Shillong parliamentary seat from a BJP ticket is true, adding that she is preparing herself to reach out to the citizens of Shillong constituency. Dr. Nonglait, who has been away from politics for the last 10 years, said that leaders of BJP had recently approached her with the offer, to which she agreed. She said that if elected, she will speak up and raise many issues that affect the people. She will fight for recognition of 10A, 8th Schedule, UCC, land acquisition and many more.
Aspirant kadai ban ngalak pediang ban ngamdi kawat ban ong ban tiang ni kata politics namar ngahi ngala yai kom ka tutored candidate how to stem aja khatlai hakatuka arbanai but hakatuka arspa vote ka bangaram bat ngatrai XYZ ngala ban namdan ka politics experience dari ABCD dengan adan kanong dem ka baning ko ngi bang ho kadai ko urgency kajing kerki jong ke kajing kerki jong ki an kita ki pending laws ki bangi ngitip ki baladan ka parliament website ki balak ban kata ki balong ki implication ki legal implication ki long ben haki hok long try ki jongi tengah ngadan kam ban om tang bangan sotho yala de ban pen sotho ki brio kum kanong hikai mensua Shillong Law College kum ka plidar hakani ka kam kum ka professional kum kanong ya site jong ki balang repair ni isnam ki balalay ki bangila job ki case keleng saudong hakalyang jong ka balang ngasngo wa kum ka khon kristan kum ka ret pa hi ka dan kam man ong ba silent is not consent
Maulatang village